Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim final rewards of Bundesliga Chapter in FC Mobile. So here I've already on the Bundesliga Chapter in Team of the Season, and in here to get the rewards you need to do the Bundesliga training. You need to play matches and skill games to earn a TOTS point B. So here if you play these matches you can get the TOTS point B progress, and after that here you can get 50 TOTS point B, and here you can spend the point to the to open the reward path. And as you guys can see here, I've already opened some of the paths, and until the final path is open you can get these final rewards. So there are 3 rewards that you can get, and here you need to spend 100 TOTS point to get the reward. You can get Anton, you can get Xavi, Simons, or you can also get Mascherano. Okay, so don't forget to play the Bundesliga training matches to get those rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the game.